Video is how to create this in Fusion 360. First I will create the base, so the total length is 96 millimeter and the breadth is 36 millimeter and the height is 12 millimeter. So first I will create a rectangle of length 96 and the breadth is 36. So go to Fusion 360, select rectangle, center rectangle, select bottom plane, select the center as origin, and the distance, it is 36 by 96. So 36, then press the tab button, then 96, enter. So this is the base. Then go to stop sketch, then go to create, extrude, select this rectangle, then the extrusion distance is 12 millimeter. So press the value as 12, then OK. So this is the base. Then you can see in the back side there is an arc shape structure is there. So draw an arc. And what about this radius? This radius is 17 millimeter, and this distance from the center point to the surface of the base, it is 15 millimeter. So first I will draw a circle of radius 17, and the distance, the center of the circle from this surface is 15 millimeter. So go to the back surface. So this is the back surface. You can see this is the back. Select this face, then go to create sketch, then go to sketch, then circle, center diameter circle, then draw a circle of diameter, it is 34. So radius 17, so diameter is 34. Then so this radius is 17, and from this center to this surface you can see the distance is 15 millimeter. So go to Fusion, then go to sketch dimension. From this point to this is 17. Sorry, not 17, this is 50. This distance is 50. So this is the center point, and this distance is 50. Then draw a line, draw two lines from this. So take line from this point, go to line, so this is the starting point, and this is the end point. Escape. Then again select line, this is the starting point and this is the end point. Then next step is select this line and the arc, then go to tangent, go to sketch palette, then select tangent. So now this circle and this arc, this line is tangent. Then again select this line and this circle, and then go to sketch palette, then select tangent. So now this line and this circle are tangent. Then go to sketch, trim the circle, then stop sketch. Then go to create, extrude, select the surface, and this is the extrusion distance, and the extrusion distance is 10 millimeter. So now enter this value as 10. Press OK. Then there is a circle on the center, and the diameter of the circle is 12 millimeter. Then click here and go to create sketch, then go to sketch, take circle, center diameter circle, draw a circle of diameter 12 millimeter. Press enter. Then select the circle and the arc, then go to sketch palette, then select concentric, then stop sketch. So the center of the circle and the arc will be same. Then go to create, extrude, select this. Okay. So a hole of 12 millimeter diameter is created. And you can see there are two circles on the base. So the diameter of the circle is 8 millimeter, and the distance from this the center from this edge to the center, this is 12 millimeter. You can see this distance is 12 millimeter. Okay, so go to this Fusion 360, then right click here, create sketch, draw a select circle, center diameter circle, then draw a circle of diameter 8, then stop sketch. Sorry, right click here, edit sketch, then go to sketch dimension. The distance from this to this is 12 millimeter. 12. This is 12. You can see the distance is 12 millimeter. Sorry, this is not 12. From base, this distance is 12. So I'll delete this. Go to sketch dimension. From this edge to this is 12 millimeter. Next thing is from this circle to this circle, the distance is so first I will create, then go to stop sketch, then go to create, extrude, select this. Okay, and you can see these two circles are symmetric. Okay, so that means I can mirror this circle. So go to first I will identify the mirror plane. So you can see YZ will be the central plane, YZ is the mirror plane. So go to modify, sorry, go to create, go to mirror, and pattern type, select features, select this hole, then mirror plane as YZ, then press OK. So you can see another hole is created. Then next is in the central portion there is an arc and one rectangular portion. I will remove this portion. So what about the size? First I will draw a rectangle of size 15. The height is 15 millimeter. So select this face, create sketch, rectangle, 2-point rectangle, draw a rectangle, draw a rectangle of height 15. So height is 15. What about this? So the total distance is, this is 48. This from this edge to the center portion, this is 48, and this this radius of this arc is 7. So that means this total distance is 14 millimeter, and the total from the left edge to the center portion, it is 48, So the the length of this rectangle is 14 millimeter. So go to sketch dimension, select this edge, and this is 14 millimeter. And next, from this portion to here, the distance is 48 minus 7, so that distance is 41. So from go to sketch dimension, from this side to here, this distance is 41 millimeter. Then next I will draw an arc of radius 7. Go to arc, center point arc, then select trim option, then trim the middle portion, then stop sketch, then go to create, extrude, select this and remove this portion. So this is the final object. If you want to take the drawing of this front view, top view and side view drawing, orthographic projection, first you save this, then change the workspace. You can see there are so many workspaces here: model, patch, sheet metal, render, animation, simulation, cam, drawing. Go to drawing workspace, select from design. You can see a create drawing dialog box will open. Then select page sheet sizes A4 units as millimeter, press OK. You can see a drawing sheet will open. Wait for some time. So it will take some time to open that drawing sheet. You can see the top portion, the commands, all the commands are changed. So now this is the drawing workspace, that's why this is the drawing commands. If you want to project the view, you can use this option. If you want to modify, if you want to rotate, if you want to move, you can this modify option. If you want a dimension, you can use this option. If you want to add text, you can use this option. If you want to insert something, if you want insert table, or if you want to convert this into PDF, you can use this, etc. So this is the drawing sheet, and the size of the drawing sheet is A4. You can see, first you place the base view, or you can go to the drawing view and you can see the orientation. You can change the front to top. You can see your view is changed. So place the top view. First you place the top view, and if you want to change the scale, now the scale is 1:2. If you want to change the scale to 1:1 for a bigger size, then press here and press enter button. So this is the top view. Then go to drawing view, select projected view, select the view and move the mouse. You can see this is the front view. Press here and press enter button. So this is the front view. Then again go to projected view and select this view, and you can see this is the side view. Like that you can take all the views. If you want to take the isometric view, you can take, no problem. So press here. So this is the front view, top view and side view. And this is actually a drawing sheet, and this outer rectangle is the borderline, and this is the title block. In the title block you can see who is created this drawing, title, department, technical reference, approved by, drawing number. So all the details will be in the title block. If you want to convert this drawing into PDF, you go to the last portion, output PDF, then press OK. Press OK button. You can see your drawing is converted into, you go to desktop and save it in a new folder, say PDF, save. So now your drawing sheet is converted into PDF. So you can take print out and you can check the drawings. Wait for some time, it will open. So this is the this is your drawing.